YouTube, we are back with another video. I want to say big shout outs to all the people who have been following along and all the people who are commenting down below, liking the video, sharing the video, joining the Discord, all that fun stuff. Thank you guys very much for allowing this YouTube channel to exist, because you guys are showing us some love. So what are we going to be going over today? Well, we're going to be going over the fact that we basically shorted this exact high right here. So you guys can see here 47366 47366 right here. So if we zoom into that bad boy right there, let's go ahead and zoom all the way in. Basically caught the exact high on that trade, what it is that we were looking at for that, why did we get into that trade, and then why did we bounce from here. Or we're going to be going over all of that, and then where could we be headed to right now. All right, and obviously Bitcoin is just going in a range right now, so we'll be talking about all of that. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us over on Discord, follow me on Twitter, and most importantly, if you guys would like to find out how to make $3,000 in 3 hours like this person here, or like I did right here, which is $300 in just 17 minutes, or the big master trade right here, 4,400%. You go down below this video, you sign up to Bybit using my link right there, and I'll send you my course completely and totally for free as a thank you for signing up. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just take your crypto, transfer it over to your new account, and start trading, and then let me know once you do that, and I will send you my course for free. And also join us because we're doing live trading over here. Anyways, back to the video. So yesterday, why did we take that short? Well, honestly, it was just because of the fact that we had come back down, then we swing failured all the way up, and we took out this high, and we didn't really have that much volume coming in. So let's go ahead and go back to that point. So if we zoom in here, you guys will be able to see that as we were coming up to the high, you can see we had a bunch of longs opening up right here, but then nobody was longing. You guys know how we do. When nobody's longing, we're going into a swing failure pattern. It's just time to make sure that we take that trade. You know, we just have to take those types of trades. That's what we do as far as day traders and swing day traders and scalpers. We just have to be ready for those types of trades, okay? And so that's one of the reasons why we got into that trade, and we started to head our way to the downside. And now the big question is, why did we bounce from here? Well, if we go ahead and take a look at this Fibonacci retracement, we can see here that from the swing low to the swing high, we come right down to the 886, to the absolute dollar hair, the absolute dollar, okay? And that's one of the things that we have to look at for that. Not only do we have that, but if we pull our trend-based Fibonacci extension, you have your high, low, high. We come down to the 1.618 to the absolute dollar. So not only do we have the 886, but we have the 1.618 lining up there for Fibonacci confluences, okay? Then on top of all of that, we also go down to the 5 minute, and look at what happens down here. We have our 3 drives, 1, 2, 3, with 5 minute divergences right here. Boom, bam. And then we start to pop up from there, okay? So that is definitely a signal. It's time. So you have 3 confirmations as to why this could be. This is a very good long opportunity right here. All right? So that leaves us with the current price action. And again, if you guys are looking for more of like moon boy talk, like stuff that could happen in 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 10 months from now, or whatever it is, you know, definitely go ahead and check out other channels. On this channel here, we give you guys updates on what's happening throughout the day, so that way you can get into trades throughout the day. You can make money on a day-to-day basis, not something that would have to take 5, 10, 6 weeks, 6 months from now. And again, there's no hate towards that. It's just a lot of people are always asking, why are you always on the 5 minute and 1 minute chart? Because I am a scalper. And also too, I am looking to fund people who want to learn how to scalp as well. So if that sounds like you, make sure you join the Discord and then message me on the Discord saying, hey, I'm interested in being funded by you. I'm willing to give over a certain amount of money so that you can practice scalping along with me, okay? I'm looking for somebody that's willing to be able to take like 10 to 15 trades per day. So yeah, where does that leave us right now? Well, we have no choice but to currently look at the VWAP as a possible area for looking to get into a short opportunity, or the area that you're looking for to get into a long, because you do have these gaps in the highs right here. So we already hit this gap right here. The next gap that we're looking at is right around here. We are starting to get a little bit of a turnaround. Yeah, so I would say somewhere around this area. Let's go ahead and just do this really quick. 45, 46K ish, all the way 46K all the way down to about 900. Somewhere around this area is where I'd be looking to get into a pretty sexy short, or possibly swing a day trade short, or even a scalp short. Just going to depend on what's happening in the moment for that. And then if that doesn't work out, or if that does work out or doesn't work out, we have this whole entire section right here, which would be above these highs. So your 618's coming at 46,400, all the way up to around like 46,800. That would be the matrix zone that we're looking at. All of this area right about here to be looking for a possible swing failure pattern and to come back down. Okay. And yeah, so those are the two areas that we're looking at for the upside. And for the downside, again, we're just looking at the gaps. You know, we would be looking at a possible move to the downside, swing failure, these lows to pop back up, or we'd be looking at this gigantic zone down here. Remember, I was telling you guys in the previous video, we have no choice but to look at this whole section right here as an area to be looking for long opportunities. Then we ended up getting the signal to take a long down here. It's going to be the same exact thing down in this area. Okay, I don't know where the long would be, but we have to wait for the signals. We have to wait to see what type of confluences we have, and we have to see what the RSI is doing. We have to see what the volume is doing in time. That's why at this channel we do day trade setups, we do scalping setups, because we are trading what the chart is giving us, not what some type of moon boy crazy theory about the fundamentals of Bitcoin says we should go up or anything like that, right? And again, that is no hate towards those channels. That's just not how we do over here. So anyways, that's going to be it for the Bitcoin video. I'll catch you guys next time.